Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to be sharing the other two paper collections that I received from Fancy Pants Designs. They have 4 new collections out, and I love being a part of their design team. This is such a beautiful collection. It's the Pink Meadows. And I just love the colors. It can go really beautifully for shabby chic projects with all of these beautiful soft florals. Papers are double-sided. They're a bit thinner in the 6x8 paper pad, but they also come in the 12x12 collection kit, which the papers are a little bit thicker on that one. So it depends what you want to, use your papers and what type of project you're creating. But look at this, so pretty with the butterflies and like a I don't know, it's like a muted blue gray. So pretty. And this black and white floral. And you get 24 sheets in the 6x8 paper pad, so you get, I think, 4 of each design. So this one's really cute with the hearts, and here's the back. So pretty. So you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of each of the designs. There's that one, like a honeycomb on the back of that. And then there's this wood grain, and here's the back of that one. So those are the designs in the Pink Meadows. So pretty. And like I mentioned in the other video, they're coming out with these beautiful new puffy stickers. Some of the other paper collections, they have like a foam layer. These ones are just kind of like puffy, kind of a plastic feeling material. But they're really pretty. So you've got the beautiful gold color and some florals there with the gold. So pretty. And you get these as well. Super pretty. I love those. And I was also really excited, you guys, to see that they might be coming out with matching sequin packs for all of the collections. I think it only came with the Pink Meadows for this one, so I don't know if they're doing it for some collections and not others, or if they're going to be making these sequin mixes to match all of the collections. But it's beautiful, and it matches, I mean, perfectly. So can you see that? Such a beautiful sequin mix. So love that. And we have the enamel dots, and I love it. They have some shaped ones, little hearts and flowers, and also the round ones. So pretty. Love enamel dots. And then here's the first ephemera pack, and it's got the cards and tags. You get 22 pieces right here, and I am going to go through these really quick. There's 2 ephemera packs, and I don't know, I always like to see the ephemera kind of up close so I can see what I'm getting. So you got these beautiful tags, different designs, so cute, labels, tickets, so pretty, like floral labels. So yeah, definitely I'm thinking or feeling like shabby chic with all of these beautiful colors, butterflies and roses. So pretty. And I'm loving these library cards. So cute. Butterflies, little tags. So what do you think? What's your favorite part of these ephemera packs? I love this. It's like a vase with flowers, a mason jar, and like a milk bottle. Super cute. So that's one ephemera pack, and then this is the other one. It comes with 46 pieces, And these are the designs here. So less like tags and tickets and things, and more like images. So pretty. How beautiful is this one? So pretty. And I love these like slide type ephemera. And lots of florals and leaves. So pretty. Oh, I love this little house. So cute. And oh my gosh, look at that pitcher watering can. So beautiful. Another slide here. Florals. Another little watering can. Butterflies. But do you see these colors? They're just so soft. So pretty. And I love the shade of blue, like a bluish green, gray. So pretty. Little house images. Oops. Oh my gosh, love this. It's like a wood slice, but it's shaped like a heart. That is cute. Little butterfly. And just lots of little florals and leaves. This is so pretty. I love those colors. Butterfly. I am dropping everything today. So that was like a little, it almost looks like a cactus. Flower. So that's the second ephemera pack that comes with 46. And here is the Pink Meadows collection kit, and it's the 12 by 12 that comes with 2 each of 6 designs, so you get 12 sheets of double-sided paper, and like I said, they're a little bit thicker than the 6 by 8, so I love that. I'm not going to go through, they're the same designs. And I will try and share this sticker sheet. So you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet with a lot of the designs that were in the ephemera pack, but also some different ones, like this little gorgeous word here, and some of the borders here. This one's hard to see, but it's like a lacy border sticker in white, and then another one in pink with like a scalloped edge, and the word lovely, some more tickets and tags. So those are the 12 by 12 sticker sheets, and that's it for the Pink Meadows. Beautiful, beautiful paper collection. So pretty. Okay, and I'm moving on to the next one. Here is the Honey and Bee designs. So how cute is this one too? I love it. I love the touches of black and the bees. So pretty. Okay, I'll get started. So, and the color palette too, it's just so pretty. I love this one. So Honey and Bee, and then I'll just do a quick flip through. These are the 6 by 8 papers, double-sided. You get 4 of each design. Look at how pretty that one is. The bees on like a pink background. So pretty. And like a really large, I don't know, ticking fabric. Like a dishcloth type of fabric. And this one, so pretty. With the flowers and another bee print. This one here, another beautiful floral. I love this one. It's like a minty blue wood grain. So pretty. This is beautiful. Love it. That reminds me of like dried flowers. Another bee design there. And that's it, guys. So that's the honey and bee. And they have some alpha stickers to match and like a seafoam green. I thought the green matched this one here. Super cute. So you get some hearts and stars and then just the alphabet. Really cute. For this one we have the traditional like smaller puffy stickers. So you get 37 puffy stickers for this one. Of course, I love these. Love the puffy stickers. And I love the size on these. Super cute. And here is one of the ephemera packs here. This one comes with 54 pieces. And I will go through it as quick as I can. And let me know, guys, if you like seeing all of the ephemera pieces or if you just like to see, like, you know, a close-up of the back here without me dropping it. So, but I'll share really quick. So pretty. I don't know. I get excited. Oh, this is like a little planner. So cute. Be yourself. Little honey. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love it. Love the backpack, the apron. These are fun. Fun little designs. The sunflowers. Tea and honey. Look at this. So cute. That's adorable. So cute. Love those images. With the little, like, little straw basket, handbag, florals, be kind, bees, lots of little flowers, a stack of books. So cute. Florals, a little bag. It's a cute little butterfly. We've got bees. This beautiful bike. Honey for sale. Another little teacup. Bird, bows. This other little bow that fell off to the side. Another cute little bag. This one almost looks like a crocheted little bag. Here's a bee on a honeycomb. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. A little tiered tray, you guys. How adorable. Love that. Ball jar, ball mason jar. A little postcard. And I don't know, but you can even get ideas for projects from the ephemera packs. Like this, like a cute little kite. Project. A little jar. Little hat. And a little cute bee watering can. So cute. So I love all of these. That is so cute. I am loving the ephemera packs. So here's the other one. Here are some of the images. And this one comes with 23 pieces, so they're a bit larger, more like tags and cards. So this is like eyelet, trim piece, cute little bike card, honey for sale. So these are like some of the same images, but just larger. So cute. Be yourself. And these are the ones that I thought looked like they were crocheted. So here's like a little blue crochet. These look more like doilies. Pink one. Busy bee. I hope to be a busy bee, creating with this cute collection and all the others. Little honeycomb tag. florals, and then just more tags here. So cute. This one still has some of the cutout piece attached to it. So cute. And these are like embroidery hoop wreaths. So cute. Sorry, but they're just adorable. I love all these images. Cuteness. Okay, so that was the second ephemera pack. And then here is the collection kit, Honey and Bee. And again, you get 2 each of 6 designs, so you get 12 by 12 sheets, and they're the same designs as the 6 by 8 paper, as you can see here. So I'm not going to go flip through these again, but there's all of the designs. And you get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which I'm going to try and share here again kind of slowly so you can see the stickers. They are different, some of them, from the ephemera packs. Love that apron. And the girl images are so cute. They're different. So pretty. Okay, and this one I guess is with her feet up, enjoying a cup of coffee and a nice book. So what do you think? Super cute. Love this collection. I love all the collections, but yeah, this honeybee and the pink meadows are just so beautiful. I love the colors on these. So that's it, guys. If you're interested in finding any of these, I'll link everything in the description box below. They are from Fancy Pants Designs. And like I said, if you haven't checked out Fancy Pants in a while, you should definitely check them out because they're coming out with some really fun new designs and just different things that go with the collections, like the sequins mix and the different puffy stickers as well. So cute. So yeah, check them out. I will leave everything in the description box below. Thank you for stopping by and taking a look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.